Hi everyone, welcome to our class. My name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is personality, which is very useful in your daily life. You're going to introduce someone or to introduce yourself. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestion, just comment below. So let's start the course today. So first we should get familiar with these two new characters. Personalities. 性格 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 First tone 性 格 Second tone 格 Right after me 性格 And then we have optimistic and pessimistic. First, optimistic 乐观 first tone, which means happy, and 观 flat tone, which means like your view. So you hold a happy view, means that you're optimistic. 乐观 And then pessimistic, here 悲 means sadness. So 悲观 that you hold a sad view, is that you're pessimistic. 悲观 both flat tone 悲观 And then we have extroverted 外向 Why we have learning means outside. So you turn yourself to outside, and 向 means direction. So it means extroverted 外向 both first tone 外向 And then introverted 内向 内 means inside 内向 both first tone 内向 And then we have broad-minded and outspoken 开朗 开flat tone 朗 开朗 And decisive 果断 Right after me 果断 third tone 断 fourth tone 果断 And then hesitate 犹豫 And then we have mild 温和 温 means warm, and 和 means like peace. So you're warm and peace, that means you're kind of mild. And then careless 粗心 And you can say this one 马虎 Right after me 马虎 Hu in light tone 马虎 And then irritable 暴躁 both first tone 暴躁 And then careful 细心 Remember here we have 粗 means thick. We have learned it before. So 细 means hard. So thick hard is that you're careless. And if you have this is thin hard, it means that you're careful. There's no direct relation between why my heart is thick, that means I'm careless, but it just gives us an easier way to remember these two words. Like these two are opposites. One is thick, one is thin. 粗 and 细 粗心 细心 That's more easier to remember. And then we have quiet 沉默 Right after me. And willful 任性 both first tone 任性 And then bold 大胆 And bashful 腼腆 腼腆, both third tone, 腼腆. And then generous, 大方大方大方 modest, 谦虚 read after me, both flat tone, 谦虚谦虚 and then stingy, 小气小气小气小气 and arrogant, 傲慢傲慢 both first tone, 傲慢 and then weak, 软弱软弱软弱 cautious, 谨慎谨慎谨慎 selfish, 自私自私自私 read after me, calm, 冷静冷静冷静 and then rational, 理智理智理智 emotional, 情绪化情绪化情绪化情 second tone, 绪化 both first tone, 情绪化 and then practice time. I am an optimistic and broad-minded and outspoken girl, treating friends very generous. 我是一个 I'm a 乐观 optimistic 乐观乐观开朗 broad-minded and outspoken 开朗的女孩 We have learned this one and this one before. 我是一个乐观开朗的女孩对待 means treat. Remember this one? 对待 both first tone. 对待朋友 friend, we have learned this. 朋友很 very 大方 generous. 我是一个乐观开朗的女孩对待朋友很大方 And then we have 这只老鼠非常谨慎地躲过了门外的猫 We have this 谨慎 careful cautious 这只 this 老鼠 mouse We have learned this in calendar 这只老鼠非常 very 非常谨慎谨慎的躲过了躲 means escape 过了门 door 外 outside of the door 的猫这只老鼠非常谨慎地躲过了门外的猫这只老鼠非常谨慎地躲过了门外的猫 which means this mouse carefully dodged the cat outside the door. So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new expression and new characters. I hope you guys can do some review, and if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestions, just comment below, and don't forget to check the homework. Bye.